Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. After that, click on the right upper corner, and here you'll see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from this account in Google application, Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, and after that just select one from the account which you want to remove, for example the first one. After that, just click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now as can you see that in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and now we'll go back into the Gmail application, and you can see here that we'll stay also only with one account into the app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.